graph the following system of inequalities. Here we have two variable inequalities, both of which are quadratic inequalities. We'll graph each inequality, and then the solution region will correspond to the region of overlap of both of the inequalities. The first inequality, y less than or equal to negative 2 times x minus 3 all squared plus 7. Note this is given in vertex form. The vertex is at the point 3, 7. The a value of negative 2 means that it opens downwards, and it's a vertical stretch factor of 2 relative to the basic y equals x squared parabola. This means as we move left or right by 1 from the vertex, we move down by 2. Left or right by 2, we move down by 8. We then draw a parabola as a solid line corresponding to the less than or equal to inequality symbol. Again, noting the less than or equal to symbol, this means that we would shade in the region underneath this curve. However, we could also pick a test point using the point 0, 0 and plugging it in place of x and y. 0 less than or equal to negative 2 times 0 minus 3 all squared plus 7, which is equal to negative 11. Note that 0 is not less than negative 11. We would then not shade in the region containing this point. This simply confirms that we would shade in the region underneath this parabola. We then go on to the second parabola. This inequality, y greater than x minus 2 all squared plus 1. Again, this is given in vertex form. Here the vertex is at the point 2, 1. And here the a value is 1. This means it opens upwards and is again congruent to y equals x squared. This means as we move right or left by 1 from the vertex, we go up 1. Right or left by 2, we move up 4. In this case, because the inequality symbol is simply a greater than symbol, this parabola is drawn with a dashed line. Also noting the greater than symbol, we would have to shade in the region above this parabola. However, again, we can use a test point to confirm this. Using the point 0, 0, 0 greater than 0 minus 2 all squared plus 1, which is equal to 5. 0 is not greater than 5. Therefore, we would not shade in the region containing this point. Again, this simply confirms that we would shade in the region above this parabola. We therefore shade in the region below the red parabola and above the blue parabola, corresponding to the region in between these two parabolas.